Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your laptop faster. If your laptop is slow, lagging, or taking too long to open apps, just follow these simple steps to boost performance. So let's get started. First way, disable startup apps. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Now click on the Startup tab. Here you will see programs that start when your laptop turns on. Right-click on unnecessary apps and click Disable. This will help your laptop boot faster. Second way, clean disk space. Open this PC. Right-click on Local Disk C and click Properties. Now click on Disk Cleanup. Select temporary files and unnecessary files, then click OK to delete them. Third method, uninstall unused programs. Click on the Start button and open Settings. Go to Apps, Installed Apps. Select programs you don't use and click Uninstall. This will free up space and improve speed. Fourth method, update Windows. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Installing updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Fifth method, scan for viruses. Open Windows Security from the Start menu. Click on Virus and Threat Protection, then run a quick scan to make sure your laptop is safe. Bonus tip, if your laptop is still slow, upgrading to an SSD or adding more RAM can greatly improve speed and overall performance. That's how you can easily make your laptop faster.